Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. So now we are totally control over this triangle. Now we can solve any question with this triangle. I hope you might be realizing now. All the online classes, these videos, all are helping you there. Your teachers are also there. So don't hesitate to ask your questions, especially during your board examinations. Okay, now we are in the final stage, almost in the final stage of our board examination. So be prepared very nicely. Don't hesitate to ask your questions to your teachers, and teachers will also explain. So now, triangle chapter is going on. In that chapter, what we have read? We have read what is the condition of similarity. This is the situation of similarity. We have read BPT, basic proportionality theorem. It is called a very important theorem. It is. Then we have read angle bisector theorem. Okay, angle bisector theorem. So what is that angle bisector theorem? It is that angle bisector theorem only. We have read this also. Okay, this is also very important theorem. It is used also many a times. Then we have read about this midpoint theorem. We have read about in class 9 also. But in the class 9 we have read, see what we have read in class 9. We have read that if the line segment of a triangle join the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle is said to be parallel to its third side. Up to this it is class 10. And if it is added that is also half of the length of the third side, it becomes class 9. We have read this, the midpoint theorem. Remember, in the quadrilateral chapter we have read this midpoint theorem. So no need to discuss this again here. We have done this. Now what actually we are going to discuss today is that if two triangles are similar, okay, if two triangles are similar, what features they can contain, what observations we can see. So today we are going to observe about the perimeter of the what effect it put on the perimeter of the triangle. On this I have tried to make one video, and I have tried to explain you there. Okay, now see here that video which I have made for you. Okay, see this. So what basically is given in the question, let me explain here. It is given that in the given figure is given here, see, DB is perpendicular on BC, that DB is perpendicular on BC, this angle is 90 degree. AC is perpendicular on BC, this AC is also perpendicular on BC, and then we have to prove that BE by DE is equal to AC by BC. Clear? So let us start how we can prove this. Okay, this is a situation of similarity only. Now see, we first of all will try to find out which angles are. In the starting I have said that the two angles are there equal, then this is similar triangle and that sides will be proportional. So we are going to use this property here. Now see what I have done here. This all three shaded is there, na? Dark angles, they all are 90 degree. Clear? It is given already that these angles are 90 degree. Okay, then what? Then two triangles are there, na? See, two triangles are being formed here. Where are these two triangles? So here this is one is small one, and this is the big one. That is triangle. This is the big one, triangle ABC, and this is a small triangle BDE. These two triangles are similar. How? See this. Sorry. So in triangle ABC, first of all we'll deal with the triangle ABC. angle C is 90 degrees given. Angle C is 90 degrees given. So we are saying that angle ABC is equal to x. We have no idea what is the exact value, so we are taking it at x only. If it is x, then angle BAC is equal to 90 minus x. If angle ABC, this is equal to x here, that angle BAC is equal to 90 minus x. This I am saying. If this particular angle is x, then this angle is 90 minus. We have done this. Understood? Very good. Now what? Now we will go in this small triangle. Okay? In triangle DBE. Now we will go in triangle. Same situation is also here. Okay? Same situation only. Okay? Now that one angle is 90 degree. So angle that DBE is equal to that angle which I have drawn just now only, is I am writing also, that is equal to 90 minus x. Why this is equal to 90 minus x? Because see here, this angle is 90 degree, and in that angle, if I subtract this angle, particular this angle which is x here, so this angle is 90 minus x only, no? That's why I have written this 90 minus x here. Okay, now come, let us see what else can be proved here. One angle is, this angle is 90 degree already, so obviously that angle D will be x, angle BD will be x. It's quite obvious. You can see through calculation also that will become angle x only. Now we have to prove BE by D is equal to AC by BC. Let me write in the corner so that in the solution I can remember this. So we have to remember the concept of similarity. Okay, what is that? If two angles are equal, to the corresponding triangles, then both the triangles are similar only. And here we have found what we have found in triangle DBE and BDE and triangle BAC. What we have found? We have found that one angle is 90 degree. Okay, I am writing here, angle DBE is equal to angle ABC. Angle DB is 90 minus x, so angle BAC is equal to 90 minus x, and angle BD is x, so angle ABC is also x, and finally angle E is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So by angle similarity we can say that triangle BDE is similar to triangle ABC. Very good. These two triangles are similar. So what is the use if they are similar? Just now see. Now what we have read in that slide, that the sides are proportion. So here the sides are proportion here. Okay. So see, the sides opposite to equal angles in the corresponding triangles will be proportion. So if from that reason DE by BC, DE is in the smaller one, BC in the bigger one. Okay, DE by BC is equal to BE by AC. Okay, BE by AC, and this is because triangle BD is similar to triangle ABC. So nothing now, we just do the cross multiplication. We have found that AC by BC is equal to BE by DE, and this is what we had to prove. Okay, so what we use here? We use here the properties of similarity. We used here the properties of similarity here. Okay, and then we proved two triangles similar, and we found the corresponding sides are proportional also. On that basis we have proved them similar, and we have proved whatever they had asked, and they had asked this thing we have proved. Okay, in the next class we'll learn something new, topics will be discussed. Be ready. Now the chapters is going easy, and then the easiest only, and you all will solve the question. This is my belief here. Okay. In the next class, we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.